standing in mountain with hands in prayer. Inhale, raising the arms up to praise. Exhale, bending forward, place the hands on the mat. One deep breath. Bend the knees and step back into downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths here. Corinthians 7:1. Let us purify ourselves from everything that contaminates our body and spirit. Carefully flatten and flex the body into upward facing dog. 2 cleansing breaths. Pushing the palms back into the mat, raise back into downward dog. 3 deep breaths. I am healthy. I am positive. I am honest. Carefully flatten and flex the body into upward facing dog. 2 breaths here. Push back into down dog for 3 more cleansing breaths. Source Creator, please give me a sensitive and honest conscience that I may be a powerful light bearer and sharer of your hope. Arch the body into one final up dog. 2 deep breaths. Relax into extended child's pose. Move into downward dog. Stepping the feet forward between the hands and rolling up slowly, sweep the arms up over the head and back into prayer.